Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest beach essentials on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best beach essentials of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Sun Ninja Pop-Up Beach Tent. The Sun Ninja Pop-Up Beach Tent is a versatile and practical outdoor shelter designed to provide optimal protection and convenience for a variety of outdoor activities. Here is an overview of its features and benefits. Key features: UPF 50+ protection. The tent fabric offers UPF 50+ sun protection, shielding users from harmful UV rays. This makes it ideal for extended use at the beach, camping, or any sunny outdoor setting. Easy setup: as a pop-up tent, it is designed for quick and effortless assembly, saving time and effort compared to traditional tents. Product 2. Product name: Beach Blanket. The beach blanket described is a versatile and functional accessory designed for outdoor activities such as travel, camping, hiking, and picnicking. This particular blanket stands out due to its sandproof and waterproof features, making it ideal for beach outings. The material is quick drying, ensuring that it remains comfortable and usable even if it gets wet. Key features include its substantial size of 79 inches by 83 inches, which comfortably accommodates 2 to 4 adults, providing ample space for lounging and relaxing. Additionally, the blanket is lightweight, enhancing its portability and ease of use for various outdoor activities. It comes with a pocket, adding convenience for storing small items like keys, phones, or sunscreen while on the go. The blanket's Aztec design adds an aesthetic appeal, making it not only functional but also stylish. Overall, this beach blanket is a practical and attractive option for those who enjoy spending time outdoors, offering comfort, durability, and ease of maintenance. Product 3. Product name: Kako Floating Universal IPX8 Waterproof Phone Case. The Kako Floating Universal IPX8 Waterproof Phone Case is designed to provide comprehensive protection for smartphones in various aquatic environments. This product, sold in a convenient 2-pack, accommodates phones up to 7.0 inches in size. It features an adjustable neck lanyard for ease of carrying, making it particularly useful for activities such as vacations, beach outings, pool visits, kayaking, and cruises. The case boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, the highest level of protection available, ensuring that your phone remains dry even when submerged in water. Its floating design prevents your phone from sinking, adding an extra layer of security during water activities. This makes it an essential accessory for those who want to capture memories or stay connected while enjoying water-based adventures. Product 4. Product name: Inflatable Surf Body Board with Handles. The Inflatable Surf Body Board with Handles is a versatile and practical water toy designed for both kids and adults. This product serves multiple purposes, making it an ideal choice for a variety of water activities. Here's a detailed overview of its features and benefits. Learning tool: ideal for young swimmers or beginners, this board aids in building confidence in the water. It provides the necessary support for learning to balance and swim. Portability: the inflatable nature means it can be easily deflated and packed away, making it perfect for vacations, trips to the beach, or spontaneous outings. Fun for all ages: whether used by children or adults, this bodyboard promises fun and excitement. It's a great way to encourage outdoor activity and engagement with water sports. Versatile water fun: beyond just surfing, it can be used for a variety of water activities, making it a versatile addition to your summer water fun arsenal. Product 5. Product name: Pool Candy Splash Runner. The Pool Candy Splash Runner Motorized Pool Lounger is an innovative product designed to enhance the pool lounging experience. Combining comfort with functionality, this motorized pool lounger allows users to navigate effortlessly through the water without the need for paddling. Equipped with a powerful, dual-motor propulsion system, the Splash Runner provides precise control over direction and speed, making it easy to maneuver around the pool. Key features of the Pool Candy Splash Runner include its durable construction, comfortable seating, and user-friendly controls. The lounger is built to withstand regular use and is designed for stability, ensuring a relaxing and enjoyable experience. The controls are conveniently placed, allowing users to steer and adjust their speed with ease. This motorized pool lounger is ideal for those who want to maximize their relaxation time in the pool. Whether for leisurely floating or moving around to socialize, the Splash Runner offers a unique and fun way to enjoy the water. Its innovative design and functionality make it a standout choice for pool enthusiasts looking to add a touch of excitement to their poolside activities. Product 6. Product name: Waydo Subnado Underwater Scooter. The Waydo Subnado Underwater Scooter is a versatile and innovative water propulsion device designed to enhance aquatic experiences. This compact and portable sea scooter is engineered for a variety of water activities, including stand-up paddleboarding, SUP, pool fun, diving, and snorkeling. Its user-friendly thumb control mechanism makes it accessible for both adults and kids, providing an effortless way to navigate through water. The Subnado is particularly appealing due to its portability and ease of use. Unlike traditional bulky underwater scooters, the Subnado is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and handle. This makes it an ideal accessory for family outings, travel, and spontaneous water adventures. One of the standout features of the Waydo Subnado is its adaptability. Whether you're exploring the depths while diving, gliding across the pool, or enjoying a day on the paddleboard, the Subnado offers a seamless and enjoyable experience. Its design ensures that users can achieve a smooth and controlled ride, enhancing both the thrill and safety of water activities. Product 7. Product name: Uninex Outdoor CoolZone Mobile Spot Cooler. The Uninex SAC 1800 Indoor, Outdoor CoolZone Mobile Spot Cooler is a robust and versatile cooling solution designed for both indoor and outdoor applications. This industrial-grade unit boasts a cooling capacity of 6,293 BTU, making it suitable for a wide range of environments where efficient and portable cooling is needed. With a high coefficient of energy rating, CER, of 9.55, the SAC 1800 model is engineered to deliver effective cooling while maintaining energy efficiency, an essential feature for industrial settings where operational costs are a concern. One of the standout features of the CoolZone Mobile Spot Cooler is its use of R410A refrigerant, which is known for its efficiency and environmentally friendly properties compared to older refrigerants. This aligns with modern standards for reducing environmental impact while ensuring reliable performance. The unit is certified, providing assurance of its quality and compliance with relevant safety and performance standards. Designed for mobility, the Uninex SAC 1800 is equipped with features that facilitate easy transportation and deployment across various locations. This makes it an ideal solution for temporary cooling needs in workshops, warehouses, events, and other settings where fixed air conditioning systems are impractical or unavailable. Its sturdy construction ensures durability even in demanding environments, underscoring its industrial-grade classification.